good morning to all of you. I welcome you all to the social class. In our previous class, we have known about the fact that why do we pay tax and what government used to do with the money we used to pay them. Okay, so we pay tax in the form of money, and government used to utilize that money to provide us some facilities. Some facilities like defense, police, judicial system. They used to construct highways, and thus are regarded as public service, okay, and thus are provided by the government. Being a citizen of India, we should get these facilities, but we can't organize these facilities or these services by ourselves. The government have to you can say look after us, and the government have to organize these services for us, for our betterment. That's why we have given them vote, because the role of government is to think about our welfare, about our betterment. So these are some of the public services which are provided by the government. In every democratic countries, these facilities are provided by the government only. And from where they used to get the money? Obviously from the tax that we used to pay, like income tax, service tax, and so on. Now, with the help of this fund, that is tax, they used to provide us service in the sector of education. Midday meal scheme we have studied in our previous chapter. That is an example of providing facility in education sector. Like that, they also used to provide facilities in healthcare. There are number of government hospitals in India. Okay, there are numbers of government hospitals in India, and government used to provide for these facilities for the people. Okay. And there are also other facilities like employment, government job. Okay, government used to provide job vacancy for the people. Social welfare, vocational, that is skill development training. They also use this tax money during the time of emergency. Okay, during any kind of pandemic, natural disaster like flood, tsunami, cyclone, government used to release fund. And from where they used to get money? Obviously from the tax that we are paying. It means that during the time of emergency, government used the money, that means the tax money. We can also take an example of present day situation. Today we are suffering from a pandemic, COVID-19. And government had released fund for the poorer section of the people. This kind of facilities government used to provide during any kind of emergency. And from where they used to get the money? Again, I am repeating this because this is very important. From the tax we used to pay. Also, during the time of any kind of space program, missile nuclear program, scientists, astronauts required fund, isn't it? And they get this fund from the government only, and government gets the money from us in the form of tax. So that's all what we have discussed in our previous class. Now let's proceed to our today's session. Today I am starting with a story of two good friends like you all, Aman and Ranjan. Ranjan belongs to a rich family or well-to-do family. On the other hand, Aman belongs to a poor family. Both of them suffered from viral fever and visit different kinds of hospital. Like Aman visit a government hospital and Ranjan visit a private hospital. Aman had faced lots of problems during his treatment. He has to go through a long line before visiting the doctor, and on the other hand, Ranjan had done his treatment with all the facilities and in a clean environment, okay, because he visited the private hospital. But the difference is that Ranjan had paid lots of money or spent lots of money in his treatment. But Aman had done his treatment in cheaper rate. So today we will discuss that only, but in detail. Public and private sector. So there are two healthcare facilities. Public healthcare service, which is provided by the government, and on the other hand, private health facilities. You can also look into the screen. There are two pictures. One is of public health service and the other is of private health facilities. And you can just go through it and see the difference. In the public health sector, you can see lots of people, lots of crowd, and in private there is only one patient in one cabin. Now, public health service is a service provided by the government, okay, and they are linked together with each other. That means there are public sector, healthcare sector in rural areas also as well as in urban areas also. That means government hospital of rural areas and urban areas are related to each other, and they provide treatment like from common illness to special service, okay. They had all kinds of treatment. There are two pictures of government hospitals. One is of village area and the other picture is of district level health service hospital. So what is village and district and city level? Let's know that. Village level. In the village level, there are health centers, and usually it consists of a nurse and a health worker. They are trained in dealing common illness and work under supervision of doctors at primary health center known as PHC. PHC covers many villages in a rural area. Now let's proceed to the next level, that is district level. Do you know in Assam we have 33 districts? So just think about the whole India. At each and every district there are government hospitals, and these health centers were supervised by the government. Now the next level is the city level. Large cities often have more than one hospital, okay, one government hospital, and this were also run by the government only. There are two pictures. One is of Hyderabad and another one is of Delhi. So this is government hospital in Hyderabad and another one is of AIIMS, Delhi. Now, why health service is called public? Question mark. Let's find the answer of it. Number one, because it is for us, it is for the citizens of India. All the citizens of India are given this healthcare service from the government, okay, and government had established hospital for all the citizens, for everyone. That is the reason it is known as public health service. Public means everyone, every citizen of this country. Now the resources, the money needed to run these hospitals is also obtained from us only in the form of tax that we used to pay to the government. I hope you remember this. We have covered up this in our previous section. Now, important aspect of public health system: to provide quality health service either free or at low cost, okay. So in government hospital the cost will be low or free. That's why Aman had his treatment in lower cost in compared to Ranjan, because Ranjan went to private hospital and Aman went to government hospital. To take action to prevent the spread of disease such as TB, malaria, jaundice, okay, government also used to take action in order to prevent this kind of diseases. Now a question for you all: how government used to prevent the spread of diseases? Obviously by taking up campaign. Simple. So by by campaigning, government used to prevent the spread of disease. After that, let's recall the story of Hakim Sheikh. According to the constitution, it is the primary duty or function of the government to provide healthcare facilities to the people or to the citizens. But what happened with Hakim Sheikh? He was not provided, isn't it? You can say the facility from government hospitals, because he visited each and every government hospitals and they denied to admit him. At last he spent lots of money in his treatment because he was admitted to a private hospital, and he filed a case in the court. Now what was the decision of the court, we will know. The court also said that it was the duty of the government, okay, to provide necessary healthcare service to everyone. So Hakim Sheikh had spent lots of money in his treatment, and the court asked the state government to give him the money or to provide him the money what he had spent during his treatment. I hope you have enjoyed my today's class. That's all. But before signing out, let's do a quick recap. But one important question. Right to life. Where is that in the constitution? Article 21. Just remember, okay? According to Article 21, there is right to life for each and every citizen in India, and in right to life only the facilities like healthcare service falls. Now at first we have known about a story of Aman and Ranjan. Through this story we have understood the difference between private hospital treatment and government hospital treatment, because Aman had faced lots of problem in his treatment, but his treatment was cheaper in compared to Ranjan, because Ranjan went to a private hospital. Healthcare service is divided, or facilities is divided into two categories, public and private. Public healthcare service are run by the government, and there are public healthcare service in district, cities, state, that is rural and urban areas, and they are linked with each other, and they had the ability to cure people from common illness to special service. All kinds of treatment are available there. In village level, there are basically one nurse and a health worker, village health worker. They are trained in dealing common illness and work under the supervision of doctors at PHC, means Primary Health Center. PHC covers many villages in a rural area. Then in district level, we have known that each and every district had hospitals, and they were run by the government. In large cities, there are more than one hospitals, and they were directly run by the government. Why health service is called public? Because it is for everyone, for the public, and the resources or the money to run this particular service is provided or is obtained from us only in the form of tax. So the main function of the government is to provide healthcare service to everyone, that too in low cost or free of cost, and also to take action in order to prevent spread of diseases. How? By doing campaign. After that, we have recalled the story of Hakim Sheikh, how Hakim Sheikh had filed a case in the court because he had not got the proper treatment from the government, as government hospitals denied to admit him. He spent lots of money in private hospital. So court also had, you can say, at last asked the state government to give him the money that he had spent in the treatment, because according to the constitution, it is the primary duty of the government to ensure the welfare of the people and provide healthcare facility. And Article 21 states right to life. Thank you all.